to VKN. What is this? Skills Lab. Yeah. It's a pretty thick book. It is very, very, very cold, and I'm holding on to this umbrella for like dear life. Yeah, and so I think people are writing.
You've bumped 3 lectures. If you bump another one, you're not gonna write that.
Go 3, yabo.
Guys,
Is that what she said? Is that what it's you? Imagine, but they're so small. Yeah.
I would Yesterday was my second page.
Guys. Even Abe. Even I'm writing Abe. Going to VKN, what is this, skills lab or whatever, to view instruments, and I have limited time before the sun goes, so bye. Good morning, everyone. So I think it's around like actually I'll put the time, but it's, I think I showed you guys because I was studying, so I woke up early to study because yesterday was just a mess and I didn't really properly do my schoolwork or like study, so it was a mess yesterday. There was a lot going on, but I'm gonna do better today. So I got ready, I woke up early so I can get some studying in, and then it is Mother's Day, so it's Sunday, and I'm gonna make Mom sleeping now. That's the whole point. So earlier I made the batter for the pancakes because we're gonna make pancakes and like a breakfast and thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys the making because I'm trying to do everything rush, you see, before she wakes up. And if I film, it means it takes longer, and then yeah, you guys get it. But yeah, that's just it. And I didn't speak to you guys because I was trying to do like that, you know, like slow music vlog, not slow but like calm relaxing vlog where, you know, it's just music and I type on the screen what's happening. So I was trying something different, and also I didn't plan to vlog, so that's why the vlog may seem a little bit over the place. It's just very like when you go speaking to the camera is not always possible, especially at school, because people be looking at you, and like sometimes it's just not the place, you know, like when the lecturer is teaching, you can't be like, hey guys, you know, but you can sneak in a quick video. So that's what happened with this vlog, but I think it's gonna come out nice. What I want to do is I need to get some cornrows done because every day I sleep and I don't stretch out my hair, and then I have to deal with the dry in the morning, and it just makes me late. So I'm gonna do cornrows on, and then I need to wash my wig, so I might show you guys that, but I'm only washing the frontal to get off the glue because I don't want to damage the rest of the wig, and the rest of the wig is still okay. It's just the frontal, so I'm gonna wash that, and then I'm gonna put the wig on. Okay, so what I was trying to say is that I'm gonna try and install the wig because I'm tired of natural hair. Yeah, there's just, I don't know about my hair when I'm gonna braid or whatever, see how it goes, but for now I'm gonna be a wig girly because I couldn't be bothered to do my natural hair. Like, people have their natural hair, out 90% of the time. Please, how do you deal? Because it's a lot, and ain't nobody got time for that, you know, in the morning when you're running late, you know. It's not cute. But I did get, I think I showed you guys my orthodontics book. Let me find it and then we're gonna unbox that together, because I actually need to study from it, but because I haven't done the unboxing, I haven't opened it yet, so let me get it. Hey guys, so this is the book. It's pretty thick. I don't know why the light ain't focusing. Yeah, it's a pretty thick book, which is a bit jump scare. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and see if I can tear the plastic open, because I don't want to get a scissor. Yeah, okay, I got it open. The pros of having nails. So this is me tearing the plastic open. So apparently this was like included in the school fees, so we didn't have to buy it, but then they said we have to give it back after like 3rd year when the degree's done. But why? I paid for it with my money, you know? It's not making sense. So this is how the book looks initially. I love the color. Alright, let's open. Sorry. Oh, you know that crisp feel when you open the book. It's very pretty. Yeah. And I think this is the book we're going to be using in 2nd semester for orthodontics. Oh, the pages are very nice. Oh, it's not like, it's like the other book. It's like my ACO book, the oral and dental hygiene one, which is also here. But it has this nice silky pages, you know, not those rough pages, you know, giving quality. You see the pages are very silky. So yeah, and that right there is an x-ray into the oral cavity. So yeah, very interesting stuff we're learning about. I'm gonna use this book to study for my dental instruments test, which is on Thursday, and I also have anatomy, so I actually have quite a lot. And for somebody who didn't make use of their Saturday properly, yeah, but there's just a lot going on, you know. We have Sunday after church, I can redeem myself, so yeah.